Stop using chemicals to grow your hair. You are actually suffocating your follicles. This combination of aloe vera and rosemary is the most powerful natural growth formula on the planet. So today I am showing you the exactly way to mix it for maximum results. Most people just rub those on their hair and wonder why it does not work, but there is a scientific science to extract the growth from aloe vera and the rosemary, and when done it right, it will stimulate blood flow and clean scalp build up instantly. So keep on watching, okay? Our first ingredient is aloe vera. I've already cut my aloe vera and soak it for some minutes. So after soaking it from 30 to 45 minutes, so this is what I have so far. So I'll wash it very well now and remove the aloe vera gel. What we need is the gel only. So I will bring this bowl and my spoon to extract out the aloe vera gel. Make sure you always soak your aloe vera gel to avoid itchiness on your scalp. It's very, very important. After extracting out the aloe vera gel, this is what I have so far. So I'll keep it aside and bring my rosemary. I'm so sorry I lost the clip when I put the rosemary. I just make use of 1 tablespoon of rosemary. I pour it into water, then bring it to boil. So this is when the rosemary is boiling, so it's almost ready. So you boil your rosemary until the water color this way, okay? So if you are doing infused method will take you longer time. That means you need to infuse it overnight so that you can get this color consistent, because you really need the rosemary to release the nutrient properly into the water, because that's what we need, the water to be very, very potent so that you can get good results. But if you are boiling it, I just boil mine for 7 minutes, and this is what I have so far. Just 1 tablespoon of rosemary and a little water is good to go, because I want it to be very, very potent. So after boiling it for some minutes and bring it out, then I will measure out the rosemary water. So the rosemary water I'll be using is up to 7 to 8 spoons of rosemary water. Please follow this step, okay, and make sure your rosemary water is very, very potent to get good results with this shampoo, okay? Guys, after making this shampoo and use them on your hair, I kid you not, you will never ever buy those store bottle shampoo again. This shampoo is all you need for that healthy hair, to solve your hair problems and grow that healthy, longer, fuller hair. I kid you not, this shampoo is a prayer answer and it's very, very easy to prepare. Just keep on watching. There are more things to add on it to make it more effective, more potent and more strong, okay? So after measuring out my rosemary water, this is what I have so far. So the next thing now is to be my hand blender to blend it so that they will combine properly. The rosemary water and the aloe vera will combine properly, okay? So after blending with my hand blender, then we can move to the next step. After blending it, the next step is to bring your foaming agent. I'm using natural foaming agent. Please use natural foaming agent. You can use black soap also, okay, but make sure you're using natural foaming agent. Remember, what you're making is natural shampoo. We don't want any chemical to come in contact with this shampoo. So I just bring my foaming agent and bring this bowl and a spoon to scoop out the foaming agent. I will make use of 1.5 tablespoons of my foaming agent. After transferring it into my bowl, then I'll bring my glycerin to mix the foaming agent into a liquid form before we can move to the next step. After mixing the foaming agent, next thing is to bring the aloe vera and the rosemary water and combine them together with the foaming agent. Then I'll still bring my hand blend again to blend them so that they will combine properly, very, very well. After combining them properly with my hand blender, next thing is to bring another bowl and a sheet cloth to extract out so that I will not have any rosemary particles on this shampoo, okay? This is to make the shampoo to be very, very clean without having any residues or any lumps on the shampoo. After extracting out the shampoo, allow it to settle down, the foaming to settle down. So once the foaming have settled down, this is the shampoo we have so far. So now let's add some important ingredient that will make this shampoo to work more amazing, to stimulate hair growth and give you that good results. So the first thing we add on it is our essential oil. I'm making use of my tea tree essential oil. It's very composing. You add this tea tree essential oil or peppermint essential oil. So after adding my tea tree essential oil for some few drop of it, then the next thing I'll add again is my rosemary essential oil. But if you don't have rosemary essential oil, you have only tea tree essential oil, please make use of it, okay? Or you have only peppermint essential oil, you don't have rosemary, make use of it. But if you have these two essential oils, this rosemary and tea tree or peppermint essential oil, is a total game changer with this shampoo. It will take this shampoo to the next level, make this shampoo to be more potent, more effective, because it will help to stimulate blood flow and increase faster hair growth. Okay, so after putting my essential oil, so the next thing now is to mix it properly. Make sure that you mix it properly so that everything will combine together. So after mixing it properly, so the next thing now is to bring your shampoo applicator bottle, to transfer it into your shampoo applicator bottle. Then this is ready to be used. I kid you not, you will never ever buy store bottle shampoo again. You will never ever use those chemical shampoo again on your hair. This shampoo will be your favorite. I'm not joking. Just try it and you get the amazing results. So now let me show you how to use it. Now, applying this shampoo is where everybody is messing up. If you want to get good results with this shampoo, you must follow this step. By immediately you apply it on your hair, do not rinse it out or wash it off immediately. You must allow this shampoo to sit on your scalp. You must massage it into your scalp at least 3 to 5 minutes to wake up those dormant hair follicles. Take this as a workout, okay? It works so amazing. It will give you faster results and also thicken up your hair roots. So if you want to get good results, don't just apply this shampoo on your hair and rinse it off immediately. You will never get good results. But if you can have that patience 3 minutes or 5 minutes before you rinse it out, I kid you not, you see huge difference on your hair. Okay, your hair will grow like crazy. So this is the best way you can use this shampoo to grow your hair 10 times faster this year. Okay guys, this is the last shampoo recipe we ever need. So if you are tired of thinning hair, slow growth, hair breakage, then this shampoo is for you. So guys, I hope you find this video very helpful. Please do well to subscribe, okay, for more great content. Like the video and share this video to your family and friends so that they'll get the good news on today's video. If you are going to try this recipe, comment aloe vera below, okay, so that I will know that you'll be trying this. I love you guys so much, but God love you more. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye.